British hot tubs have the option of the exclusive Clean Zone system. This is an inbuilt self-dosing system allowing the water to be sanitised gradually by an easy-to-use bromine cartridge. The system helps to reduce maintenance and chemical consumption and prevent spa users overdosing their spa with too many chemicals. Our Clean Zone system is perfect for those who want the most chemical-free system possible, preventing skin irritation and swimsuit discoloration, with the added bonus of softer water with no harsh chemical odour, so perfect for those with sensitive skin. It is also less corrosive than chlorine and salt systems. Low maintenance is key, so the Clean Zone system is great when you go on holiday or are not sure on how often you're going to use your hot tub, as you can rest easy knowing that your tub is still being dosed even when you're not using it. The cartridges can be replaced easily just by twisting the cap to the Clean Zone system, pulling out the cartridge holder, discarding the old one and replacing it with a new. Clean Zone technology, teamed with the Clear Zone filtration system and Blasterjet, make British hot tubs the only hot tubs that clean themselves. Designed with you in mind to save you time, energy and